Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Tito. My name is Kevin Adriansyah, and today tonight I'm going to discuss and giving a resume about descriptive, social, and expressive meaning. But we're not only talk about that. I'm also going to discuss about interplay of meaning, importance of understanding and semantics, also the word connotation. Okay, first we have descriptive meaning. Descriptive meaning in semantic refers to the most fundamental and literal level of meaning. It encompasses the following key aspect. It has three aspects: literal definition, truth condition, and fundamental level. In definition, descriptive meaning is based on dictionary of literal definition of word or expression. Truth condition, descriptive meaning is concerned with the objective truth or falsehood of a statement. And the last one is the fundamental level. Descriptive meaning represent the core foundational layer of semantic meaning. And the example is the statement. There is a statement that sound like this: the earth revolves around the sun. Has a descriptive meaning that refers to the literal factual relationship between the earth and the sun, without any social or emotional connotation. And in summary, descriptive meaning in semantic is the most basic, literal, and objective level of meaning, focusing on dictionary definitions, truth condition, and fundamental understanding without the influence or contextual or subjective factors. And then second, there is a social meaning. In social meaning, there is four aspect. The first one is contextual interpretation. Social meaning is dependent on the specific social, cultural, and situational context in which language is used. The second one is shared understandings. Social meaning is shaped by the shared understanding, beliefs, and conventions within a particular social group or community. The third one is pragmatic implication. Social meaning goes beyond the literal denotative meaning and includes the pragmatic implication and connotation of language use. The last one is interpersonal dynamics. Social meaning is influenced by the interpersonal relationship, power dynamic, and social roles of the individuals involved in the communication. And then we have expressive meaning. So expressive meaning in semantic refers to the layer of meaning that convey the speaker's personal experience, emotion, and attitudes. It encompasses the following key aspect. It has four aspects. The first one is subjective perspective. Expressive meaning is based on the speaker's subjective experience, feelings, and personal viewpoints. The second one is emotive association. Expressive meaning involves the emotional connotation and affective responses evoked by the language. And then the third one, we have attitudinal stance. Expressive meaning conveys the speaker's attitude, opinions, and evaluation towards the subject matter or the audience. And then the last one, stylistic choices. Expressive meaning is often conveyed through the speaker's stylistic choices such as tone, register, and rhetorical devices. And then we have the example, also the summary of expressive meaning. The example is the statement, "I am absolutely thrilled about the news," has an expressive meaning that conveys the speaker's strong positive emotion and personal excitement beyond the literal meaning of the words. And then the summary. In summary, expressive meaning in semantic refers to the layer of meaning that reflects the speaker's subjective experience, emotional association, attitudinal stance, and stylistic choice, which are communicated through the use of language. This expressive meaning is deeply rooted in the individual personal experience and perspective. The statement, "I am very happy," conveys not just a factual description of the speaker's emotional state, but also the subjective expressive dimension of language. And then we have interplay of meaning. Interplay of meaning. We have four types. The first one is three types of meaning. Descriptive meaning, literal definition, truth condition, objective understanding, and then we have social meaning, contextual interpretation, shared understanding, pragmatic implication, and the last one is expressive meaning, subjective perspective, emotive associations, also attitudinal stance, and then we have complexity and nuance. The interaction between these three types of meaning creates complexity and nuance in language. The third one, we have contextual interpretation. The interpretation of language heavily depends on the interplay of meaning. The same linguistic expression can be understood differently depending on the context, social dynamic, and the speaker's perspective. And then the last one, we have communication effectiveness. Understanding the interplay of meaning is crucial for effective communication. It enables the use of language that is more precise, contextual, and expressive. And then for overall of interplay of meaning, the interplay of descriptive, social, and expressive meaning in semantic contributes to complexity, nuance, and contextual interpretation of language, ultimately shaping the effectiveness and depth of communication. And then the point of 5, we have importance of understanding meaning. Importance of summary understanding the interplay of meaning. The first one is effective communication. Understanding the various layers of meaning enables more precise, nuanced, and contextual communication. And it also helps to avoid misunderstandings in the communication. And then second one, intercultural understanding. Recognizing the social and cultural influence on meaning is crucial for effective cross-cultural communication. And then for overall and importance of understanding meaning, comprehending the interplay of meaning and semantic is crucial for effective communication, intercultural understanding, in-depth interpretation as well as cognitive and linguistic development. Understanding the various dimensions of meaning in language is crucial for effective communication and also the cultural understanding. By delving into the descriptive, social, and expressive aspect of meaning, we can gain a deeper insight into the ways in which language shapes our perception, interaction, and the very fabric of our shared experience. And the last one, we have the word connotation. So what is word connotation? In definition, connotation refers to the secondary or implied or associate meaning of a word beyond its primary or literal definition. Emotional and associational meaning. Connotation are often tied to the emotional and associative meaning that a word carries. And then contextual interpretation. The connotative meaning of a word can change depending on the context in which it is used. And then the fourth one is nuance and subtlety. Connotation add nuance and subtlety to language, allowing for more precise and expressive communication. And then the fifth is cultural and individual difference. Connotation can vary across culture, social groups, and individual experience. And then the sixth one, we have importance in semantic. Connotations are an integral part of the interplay of meaning in semantics, alongside the denotative or literal and social meanings. And then in summary of word connotation refers to the secondary, implied, and associative meaning of a word, which add nuance, subtlety, and contextual interpretation to language. Understanding connotation is crucial for effective and precise communication, as well as for the overall study of semantics and the interplay of meaning. And then the last one, we have the conclusion. The study of semantics involves examining the various layers and interplay of meaning in language. Descriptive meaning refers to the literal denotative or definition of a word. Social meaning encompasses the cultural and contextual association a word carries. Expressive meaning relates to the emotional or attitudinal implication of a word. The interplay between these types of meaning is crucial to fully comprehending the nuance, multifaceted the nature of linguistic communication. Understanding this interplay is important for effective and precise communication. fostering intercultural understanding, enabling deeper interpretation and analysis, developing linguistic awareness and sensitivity, and supporting cognitivity and linguistic development. A key aspect of this interplay is the word connotation, the secondary, implied, and associative meaning that words can carry beyond their primary definition. Connotations add emotional resonance, cultural context, and subtle shades of meaning that are essential for expressive and impactful for language use. And then, in conclusion, grasping the complexities of descriptive, social, expressive, and connotative meaning, and how they intertwine in fundamental to achieving nuanced, contextual, and effective communication. These understand a cornerstone of semantic analysis and the meaningful use of language in all its forms. Thank you. That's for me. My name is Kevin Adriansa, and thank you for your awareness. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.